Yo, what up, chat? This is Easy. So today we got a actual streaming microphone. Right now I'm currently using my headset mic and it's fucking horrendous. Picks up all the background noise. It's shit. So we needed a new mic. It's the A6T gaming microphone kit. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of this bad boy right here. So it's got this nice little directions right on the front. Anyway, directions. Nobody really cares about directions. Like, if you don't know how to set up a mic, then you might want to consider a different profession. Wow, holy clean. Look how clean that is. That is clean, bro. You got the mic cover guard thing. It's a USB setup, so it's really easy to set up. And this right here is the boom arm. Bam, that's nice. I like that. All right, well, we got that all set up. Get ready for the part 2.